We don't really have to put anybody on a 450 for the end of the season, but we would like to.
So there is Lars Lindstrom saying that they would like to have fill-in riders for the two Honda 450 seats that both Jet Lawrence and Hunter Lawrence have now vacated due to injury. I guess not really vacated, but you know what I mean. And well, we've seen this week the rumor mill has been abound. It's been 1 second rumored and 1 second, I guess almost the same hour, told that Vince Freeze was offered the seat supposedly from Daniel Blair on his Twitter. Apparently, he said no. He said, "I don't want your fill-in ride. I don't want your factory Honda. You can keep it. I'm good doing whatever he's doing." I don't know now that Arena Cross, I think, is done or he has the title wrapped up. Coming from Steve Mathis in his Racerhead number 7 week recap, a few options could be Shane McElrath, Joey Savacci, or Dylan Ferrandis. Now, all of those could be good. I mean, there are plenty of people you could probably throw onto that bike. But the question becomes, 1, what are their contracts like? 2, would the team let them out of the contract? 3, would they want to? Because it is obviously a fill-in ride. You know, you're probably not expected to go out and do anything well, but we've seen that 2025 Honda is not exactly the greatest bike in the world at the moment. So you're basically going to be a test rider. I mean, you're out there for, what do you have, like 11 weeks now? Fill in for the Supercross thing. Who knows how long Jet or Hunter are going to be out technically. I mean, Jet has the ACL injury that has to be fixed, and Hunter Lawrence has the torn labrum that has to be fixed. And the other side of the thing is, too, obviously they have two 250 riders, Chance Hymas and Joe Shimoda, and neither of them probably are going to take the ride and race opposite coast, because like we've seen, Joe Shimoda has the 2 broken fingers, or is healing from the 2 broken fingers, and Chance Hymas is coming back from an injury of his own. And basically he said, 450 or the Supercross is getting back to speed, and he's really looking towards motocross to like have a challenge there. So I highly doubt you're going to see either of them fill in a ride. So it's kind of cool. I mean, obviously this is a big factory team. People want to see the factory rides, and obviously they want to see the factory riders. But if you're a team of that size, you're already planned everything out for the year. And if you bring in a fill-in rider, they have absolutely no expectations. You can go in, say, hey, this is the 25 Honda. Help us out, ride it. Tell us what you like, what you don't like, what you can fix, and, make our sponsors look good. They've spent all this money to be on this bike, on this, liveries and everything else. And if you're somebody who can get this ride, whether it is McElrath, Savacci, Ferrandis, somebody else that they pull from somewhere else, who knows? For them, it could be a good thing. If you get that ride and you do well, you might get looked at somewhere else, or who knows what happens. But that's where I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me, what do you think they're going to do? Are they going to fill both rides, maybe just one? Or other than those 3 names, who do you think, 1, do you think deserves it? 2, would you like to see in it? I've heard Dean Wilson, which would be kind of cool because I'm a Dean Wilson fan personally myself. There's a bunch of other people, they could try. Obviously the Vince Freeze thing didn't work, but I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. If you want to see the whole post from him, it'll be at the very end of this, but comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.
Guys, Lars here with Honda HRC Progressive. Unfortunately, Hunter and Jet are not going to be able to finish the Supercross season for us this year. We've had a lot of riders reaching out about possibly riding one of their bikes for the remainder of the season. Right now, we're not really sure what we're going to do. We don't really have to put anybody on a 450 for the end of the season, but we would like to if it works. And there's a lot of riders with contracts and other teams that we really want to be sensitive to, and we don't want to disrupt what they have going on. But at the same time, if the opportunity is good for them and good for us, then we would consider doing that. So right now we have some ideas, and we're making plans. So definitely thinking about whoever and doing the best for them and best for us. So hopefully here in a little bit we'll know, and then we'll announce it to everybody.